Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error 500 internal server error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before I start talking about the fixes, we need to understand what this actually means. So this 500 internal server error usually means there's a problem on the website server and not your actual device. But there are still a few things you can do on your end to try and fix it. So now I'm going to run through these one by one. So basically the first way what we can do is to refresh your page. So click on Control and R or click reload. Sometimes the server has a small hiccup and it loads on the second try. Okay, the next fix is to try incognito mode. So if you don't know how to do it, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and click on incognito mode and then load the website again. If it works here, the issues with your cache cookies or extensions, so that's going to lead into fix number 3. Okay, so come back to Chrome, click on the three dots and then click into settings, and now on the left hand side go ahead and click onto privacy and security. To the right, click onto browsing data, and now we just want to go ahead and just have cookies and other site data clicked, and also cache image and files, and then go ahead and delete data and then go ahead and reload the website. Now while you're still in this page, go ahead and click onto extensions, and now we want to go ahead and disable every extension inside of here and then go to the website, reload that website. If it works, we want to go ahead and turn on these extensions one by one to find out who might be the culprit giving you issues. Now another fix is to try another browser. So I'm using Google Chrome for this, so I can go ahead and try say Microsoft Edge or Firefox and see if it works there. Now if it does work there, the problem is definitely Google Chrome, or vice versa if you got these issues on another web browser. Now another fix we can try is just to go back to Google here, and now for example, say if TikTok's down for me, I want to search for TikTok and then just simply type in TikTok or is it down and hit enter. And now we want to go to a site like downdetector.com or Down for Everyone, just me. So basically jump into any one of these sites, and now if you see there's major outages with that website or platform, it's going to be shown here, and then there's nothing you can do about it but just to wait it out, and you might be able to get more information about when it might be fixed on their social medias. So say for example, if it is TikTok and they got a major outage, I might go to say Twitter and just search for TikTok, and they might be given updates there, or even go to the TikTok application, just depending what site is down. Now the last fix we can try is say if you're using, just try a different network. So if you're using your Wi-Fi data, go ahead and switch over to mobile data or vice versa. And now if you're running any VPNs and that as well, just disable any of them.